Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for April 24th through the 30th in my catch-all planner using the Up and Away kit by ReddHeadStickers. And I'm on a PR for ReddHeadStickers. You can use my code Megan and save 15% off of your order and receive my beautiful freebie. I will share that a little bit more at the end of the video so you can see all the different items that are in my freebie because it's brand new and I love it. So all of the girls in the PR decided that we wanted to do a kit for the month, and this is the kit we chose. It is gorgeous. I got the entire kit because why not? This is what it looks like. I'm obsessed. The colors are so much better in person, if that's even possible, and it's just a beautiful kit. Like, look at the washi. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. And then the sidebar. Oh, I'm just really obsessed with it. You guys, you know how much I love Chandel and how much I love her items. I did not realize I ordered 2 of those. That's fun. Oh well. And then we've got the deco and then the torn paper, which I'm obsessed with. So there's definitely a lot in this kit. I never use the entire kit whenever I plan. Just because there's so much and it's amazing. So I'm definitely going to be using this in another kit later on, which is good because then I have 2 sets of the date covers, which I didn't realize I ordered 2 of, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'm rambling a lot. It's been a fun week. I don't know if fun would be the right word, but whatever. We're going to go ahead and jump in. I also forgot to mention I have a couple of freebies from, this was part of her, it's either the Budget Be Damned sale or the Planner Girls United sale. She was in a sale recently, and, it's Planner Girls United. It literally says it right here. These were the freebies, so I have one from the Sammy Lynn Planning, and then this is ReddHeadStickers freebie, so I have those in case I wanted to pull some items from there, because I think they're cute. So, let's start by, let me find the washi strips. Here we go. We are going to line the spine. Because I have extra of the date covers and the glitter headers, we are going to probably use the glitter headers to line the spine with. I'm not quite sure, because I feel like these are the same colors. So we're going to try. Oh my gosh, I just ripped this. Good job, Megan. Really good job there. Rip it, why don't you? Alright guys, finally did it. Finally put the spine on. So we're gonna go ahead and put the washi down. It's been an adventure today. My brain just doesn't want to work, I guess. I don't know what it is. This is gonna be so cute. I love it. Okay, I think I'm gonna put this last bit down here at the bottom. Just cause. I don't know. Just cause. Okay. Now let's put the date covers and the days of the week on because that would be helpful. Alright guys, the spread is starting to come together. We're starting to get something, which is good. Okay, let me think. Hold on. Let me get these. Here we go. What do I want to do? I'm thinking. Yeah. I'm going to put this right up here to cover up the April section. Okay, I think that's all we need is that much. I was correct. Look at that, beautiful. Let's do the sidebar because I feel like I'm everywhere and I need to get something normal here. Okay. I think, let me start with what I need to have on here, which is my work schedule. I want to have a glitter header at the bottom here, so we're going to do it there. And I have a word from ReddHeadStickers that you can request custom scripts. So I did that, and that is how I got this fancy word. So I'm going to put this scalloped box here with work schedule like that. And I said I wanted to do some glitter headers. Let's do these ones since I used up all the pink. It'll be okay. I kind of want this one to go all the way across. There we go. And then one more here. This is just going to be my all the way across glitter header piece. And then I need my habit trackers. So let's do the pink because we don't have a lot of pink on here. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Pink, and we'll do yellow. And then another glitter header. And then my habits, or my goals for the week, which I'm going to use this box. I'm going to get the other blue scalloped box from that accidental extra sheet and put it here for my goals. Sidebar done. See, didn't even need to get this. I did, but it's fine. Shh, no one will know. I probably won't need this again. So I'm going to put this to the side. Okay, so things that need to be done. First thing I need to do is I'm going to take my pen and write around the numbers because I am blind and I need to be able to see that. And not that you can't, but again, I'm blind. So let's fix that. Okay, that's much better. That's what I meant when I said outlining it. Now it's time to do all of the things. So my sister is coming on Saturday, Friday, Saturday, and I think she's leaving on Sunday. So we are going to figure out if we want to put, you know what? We're going to take this, okay, so that I have a place for writing memories down if, you know, I so happen to feel the need to. Hold on. I think we need something separating the top of the spread. It's bothering me so bad. So we are going to fix that. We're going to use these blue glitter washi strips, washi headers, whatever you call them. There we go. Now we're going to put this down. Friday is the day that I definitely know is going to be, we're going to put it in the middle, right in between. And I'm going to leave a little space. What I was saying was, I'm definitely going to be off on Friday. I still don't know if I'm going to be off on Saturday. So that's fun to find out. And I will let me get my white out. I'm going to put this right here. Okay, so since they're coming down this day, I still have Thursday off, so I need to do some checklists. I don't know if I purchased a checklist box. How silly of me. That's okay. We will figure something out. Let's do a title. Let's do this one. So we've got some things. Actually, let's not use this, because it's going to take up the entire space. Let's use this one. Oh, too much glitter. Oh well. No, that's bothering me. Okay. Y'all, this is how I'm so indecisive. I just can't figure things out. We're gonna do this one because I want pink. I just didn't want glitter pink. So this is gonna be our chores list. And what do I want to use for the bullets? I probably have some, honestly, in my reusable sticker book that I could use. I have these, and these are pretty close to the colors, so we're going to use these. These are technically from Planning with A Designs, but as you guys see, I don't really use bullets when they're provided in a kit. And it's not because I can't find a use for them, it's because I use everything else first, and then I'm like, oh look, bullets, and then I feel bad because I didn't use them. That's how it works. That's how my brain works. Okay, I think that should be enough for things to get done for that specific day. Let's see. We're gonna do clean as our header here, because I do have a header from ReddHeadStickers that's chores, but this is specifically to do before she gets here. And then we are going to use the day off sticker, because technically that will be my only day off, even though I'll be off. Yeah, we're going to use this. Even though I'll be off, you know, on definitely Saturday or Friday. Okay, let's do... We'll use our planner girl. Okay. And this is the day off. Okay. Let's go on this side and figure out what I want to do. I still have this checklist, so we're going to use that. I'm going to put it here. And wondering if there is a just to do. This is almost the same color, so we're going to use this. It doesn't say to do, it says today, but that's fine. We're just going to work with that. While I'm trying to figure out what else I'm going to do with the spread, I'm going to add some boxes to spruce it up a little bit. Well, there we go. Alright everyone, that is it for this week's Plan With Me and my Catch-All Happy Planner. I am so sorry that I did not speak very much in this video, but I got in the mood, I got focused, and I feel like that happens quite often, and I am so sorry. If you guys are wanting to get your own Up and Away kit, you can use my code Megan, save yourself 15% off of your order, and receive my beautiful freebie. This is what it looks like. It is really, really adorable, and it's very spring. It has some Happy Mail, some summer drinks, a little cute Phoebe taking photos. It's adorable. I'm obsessed. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with art prompt journal books, polymer clay, and planners. So if you guys are interested in checking out any of my other content, I will leave everything in the description box below so you can check that out. They are in different playlists. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I post a new video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!